World Wars I and II had a profound impact on colonized nations and territories, but it's not often talked about in history class. Let's take a moment to remember and acknowledge their perspectives and experiences. During World War I, many colonies were recruited and conscripted to fight on the front lines. They were forced to fight for the interests of their colonizers. The war led to the collapse of empires and emergence of new nation-states in Asia and Africa, leading to political and social upheaval. Similarly, World War II saw colonial territories used as battlegrounds and recruitment of colonial subjects to fight for European powers. It marked the decline of colonialism and emergence of independent nations, but also brought more destruction and loss of lives. World War I and World War II also saw a rapid advancement in science and technology, but it brought devastation and loss of lives. The impact on civilian population was severe, causing displacement, starvation, and death on a large scale. Let's remember and acknowledge the sacrifices and contributions of the people living in colonies. Let's strive to learn more about the history of colonized nations and territories during World Wars I and II. Thanks for watching.